Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now I want to talk to you about article on June 30, the Ethereum Union reaches a tentative agreement on how they regulate the crypto industry in the block, giving the green light to MICA, in main legislative proposal that regulates the crypto asset market. First introduced in 2020, MICA has gone through several interactions with some proposed legislative processing, proving more controversial than others, such as decentralized finance (DEFI), remaining out of scope. DEFI platforms such as decentralized exchange by their nature appear to be contrary to the fundamental principles of regulation. It is impossible to regulate DEFI at its current stage of development. In this, the preliminary critique received from market participants when the market in crypto assets regulation was presented back in September 2020, was thus excluded decentralized finance, which aims to decentralized finance service, making them independent from decentralized financial institutions. However, as DEFI ideally rests with smart contract in decentralized autonomous organizational architecture leveraging decentralized application depth with no entity to be identified, its goal must be appropriately accommodated in the markets in crypto assets regulation, which is explicitly addressing blockchain financial services providers that are or needs to be legally established entities. Supervised of whether they comply with specific requirements as regard to risk management, investor protection, and market integrity, thus labeled in case of failures within a clear and transparent legal context. DEFI by design lacks the characteristic of an entity and acts less in the way we are used to. Hence, is decentralized environment we need to rethink our approach as regards to what will constitute the entity, while bear the liability in case of misconduct could it be replaced with a network of pseudonymous actors. Why not? However, pseudonymity is not compatible with our legal and regulatory tradition. At last, not so far, no matter what is the architecture, the shape, the process, and the characteristic of a product or service, everything and always sold and up to a responsible person of our person, I will say that the DEFI case reflects exactly the problem of lacking who they blame. So the centralization seems much more challenging for police market. The European Union's movement regulator, the crypto and blockchain industry started long before MICA. On August 3, 2018, the European Parliament voted with an unprecedented majority and the support of all European parties in blockchain resolution how important is this resolution from a political economy perspective. How as the passing of the blockchain resolutive instrumental in leading the European Union to take a regulatory lead. The European Parliament blockchain resolution of 2011 developed the views of how to approach. From a regulatory point of view, of a view. A technology which was and is still evolving. Okay, this is enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.